Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Fin Homes. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Fin Homes with a price target of Rs 1050. We believe the company is likely to sustain strong ROE trajectory of 18% in near to medium term, with growth gradually picking up from here on. Most of the internal systems and processes have been streamlined, thus focus now is on accelerating the growth. Moreover, additional 3 crores houses construction under PMAY scheme is potentially positive. The company is guiding for loan growth of 15% in FY25 and 18 to 20% from FY26 onwards. Asset quality trends are expected to remain stable and credit cost to moderate going forward. At the current market price, the stock currently trades at 2.3 times its FY25 and 2 times its FY26 adjusted book value estimates. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months. Next, we cover the stock Mrs. Bectors Food Specialties. Our analyst retains positive view on Mrs. Bectors Food Specialties and expect an upside of 20% over the next 12 months. FY24 was strong with broad-based year-on-year revenue growth of 19%, largely driven by double-digit volume growth. Management has maintained its guidance to mid to high teens revenue growth for FY25. Operating profit margin rose to 15% in FY24. Launch of cost-saving project Impact 1.0 will further add to margins from FY26. Mrs. Bectors is planning to raise Rs 400 crore, which will be largely utilized for future capex requirement. It will spend Rs 230 to 250 crore in FY25. The stock trades at 54 times its FY25 and 43 times its FY26 estimated EPS. Good earnings visibility with strategies in place makes it a good pick in small cap consumer goods space.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.